Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore how to effectively use the Kroto Chrome extension to record your product documentation. To begin, navigate to the Kroto.1 website and scroll down until you spot the Download Chrome extension button. Simply click on it to proceed. You will then be redirected to the Chrome Web Store website, where you'll find an Add to Chrome button. Simply click on it to proceed. After that, click on the Add Extension button. This action will seamlessly integrate the extension into your browser. Now, let's learn how to make the extension easily accessible by pinning it to your browser. Click on the Pin button to do so. Now, let's dive into the functionalities of the extension. Start by clicking on the extension itself. Within the Kroto app, you'll notice a Login button. Authenticate yourself by either clicking on Login using Google or entering your email. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll receive a confirmation message. Feel free to close this tab and begin recording your video. As an example, I'll demonstrate how to copy a Google document. To start, click on the Extension button once again. You'll now see a Start Recording button and some helpful hints on how to record effectively, such as speaking clearly and pausing before performing any clicks. Click on Start Recording to proceed. Next, you can choose to share your entire screen, a specific tab, or even a window. In this case, I'll be sharing my entire screen. Click on the Entire Screen tab, select your desired screen, and then click the Share button. Hello, everyone. Now, let's explore how to copy a Google document. Begin by clicking on File. Then, locate and click on the Make a Copy button. Enter the desired name for the copy and click Make a Copy. That's it. You've successfully copied the Google document. To conclude the recording, click on the extension once again. Here, you'll find three buttons: Magic Save, Save as Draft, and Cancel. By clicking on Save as Draft, you can store the recording in your account. If you click on Magic Save, you'll be directed to the website where you can edit the videos and more. Once you've finished recording with the Chrome extension, you'll find yourself on this screen. On this screen, simply click on the Magic button to initiate the generation process. It will enhance the video slightly before generating it, so let's patiently wait for that. Next, you'll need to enter the title in this input box. Just type it in and proceed. Then, you can choose the desired voice for the AI voiceover by clicking on this button. To get a preview of these voices, simply click on the corresponding preview buttons. For instance, I'll go ahead and choose Andrew. If you're on a paid plan, you'll have the option to save it within a collection. However, this option won't be available otherwise. Once you've made your selections, click on Start Generating. This will extract the voice from your video and convert it into a transcript. That's what's happening at the moment. Next, navigate to the Video tab located on the left side. You will find the option to select a voice. At the bottom, you can edit the transcript directly within the video. Additionally, you can choose the speed of the video to be fast, medium, or very fast according to your preferences. After that, just select a voice. For instance, you might choose Ada with an Australian accent. Then, simply hit Generate Voice, and that's all there is to it.